Hi AOS, Chef Zena here. Today is National Peach Cobbler Day, so you guessed it, we're making peach cobbler. For our peach filling, we will need 5 to 6 fresh large peaches sliced, or you can use 32 ounces of frozen thawed peaches and a 1/4 cup of sugar. For our cobbler topping, we will need a 1/2 cup of melted butter, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and it's optional if you want to use a 1/4 cup of sugar in the raw for the topping. For tools, we will need a 2-quart baking dish, a microwavable bowl, a knife, a cutting board, a mixing bowl, a rubber spatula, and a wire whip. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Slice your butter and place it in a microwavable safe container. Cover and microwave for 1 minute or until it is melted. Spray your 2-quart baking dish with pan spray. I'm using a deep dish glass pie pan. Add your peaches to your baking dish, scraping the bowl to get all your peaches. Add your sugar to your peaches, and then you can mix directly in your pan, stirring until it's all combined. In your mixing bowl, add your flour, your sugar, your baking powder, your vanilla, your melted butter, and a dash of salt. You want to mix this until a cookie dough-like batter forms. I use my hands, but you can also use spoons, and you want to place scoops of the cobbler mixture over top of your peaches, and you want to make sure that it's evenly distributed. There's no need for perfection. Our cobbler's ready to go into the oven. Bake in your 350-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. Next step is optional. Either leave your cobbler in the oven after 30 minutes and cook for an additional 10 minutes for a total of 40 minutes, or remove your cobbler from the oven and place your sugar in the raw on top. Once your sugar in the raw is on top, place it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Using the sugar on top will give it a slightly crunch. Welcome back. It's been 10 minutes since we placed our cobbler back into the oven. We now want to allow our cobbler to stand for 20 to 30 minutes before eating. So happy National Peach Cobbler Day.